Oh crap, I'm in trouble here. Yeah, I don't know if you can see this, guys. It's gone, broke. So I tried to make some repair here, but I don't know if I could keep going, you know, ahead with the mission. Well, so far more than 50 kilometers here. It's very sad. Let's see if we can do this, can fix this. Whoa, 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 I can't believe I made it, guys. You know, after that issue with the bike, you know, I managed how to fix, you know, with to fix the problem with the wire, but it won't last too much, you know, until here. 80, more than 80 kilometers, you know, from Santa Barbara till here. I am located right now in the mini Pantanal. This is what they're calling it here, the people on the Google map. You can search about it. I'm gonna leave all the details to how to reach here and links, you know, Google links to reach here in my description, so you can go there and dig it around and you will see. Guys, this was an awesome adventure, you know, a hard kilometers to bring you a small beautiful lake. It's crystal clear, guys. You gotta see this. Hope all you guys like the review with the drones, you know, the underwater camera, you know, all the details, you know, about this place. Awesome, man. I don't know about you, but this is just beautiful. Valió la pena venir aquí, chicos. Alright, don't forget to subscribe, you know, give me the thumb up, you know. And as you saw, you know, the place is just clean, you know. This is what we gotta do, guys. We gotta keep the natural environment safe and clean like this, you know. That's it, that's all, you know. Big heart, love, good energy for all of you guys. Thank you very much for staying all the video here with me, guys. Until the next time, ciao.